Good evening. The clock is ticking for the University of Cincinnati and Ohio State. A lawyer has given the schools until 5 o'clock Friday to respond to requests to allow a white nationalist to speak on campus. An associate of Richard Spencer put in the request to UC nearly 2 weeks ago. Anjanette Levy joins us live from campus, where mum is apparently the word tonight. Anjanette?
That's right, Rob. It's pretty quiet here because the students are on fall break today and tomorrow. To date, the only thing that UC has said about this request is that they've received it and that they are evaluating it. As of today, that has not changed.
Richard Spencer makes no apologies for his views.
My people come first. The existence and thriving of my people is non-negotiable.
Spencer calls himself an advocate for whites. Critics call him a racist and a white supremacist. 2 weeks ago, a man named Cameron Padgett contacted UC and asked to reserve a space for Spencer to speak. Padgett's attorney says they haven't received a response.
In this case, the universities are just indefinitely reviewing the situation as far as we can tell, and it is unacceptable.
Kyle Bristow believes the school would have responded more quickly to someone with liberal views.
I've already seen people holding signs and stuff saying we shouldn't let him speak here. It's not right.
UC student Chris Anderson says there is opposition to Spencer on campus, but he understands Spencer has First Amendment rights.
I don't personally believe in what he's teaching is right or what he believes in is right, but with the whole freedom of speech, I think he does have a right to speak on campus.
Spencer was one of the headline speakers in Charlottesville. There's been concern that violence could result from him speaking. At today's Law and Public Safety Committee meeting, Cincinnati police say they'd be prepared if Spencer came to the city.
People have their First Amendment rights, but we're not going to tolerate foolishness here. And as the chair of Law and Public Safety, I have your back.
U.S. Attorney General Jeff Sessions has been critical of protesters shutting down speakers that they don't agree with on college campuses. I asked Kyle Bristow whether he had been in touch with Sessions' office, and he said he didn't want to comment on that. Bristow says he'll file a complaint in federal court against UC on Sunday if his Friday deadline is not met. Reporting live at UC, Anjanette Levy, Local 12 News. Rob, back to you.
Anjanette, thanks very much. Richard Spencer won a fight in federal court against Auburn University earlier this year. The university canceled his speech, citing safety concerns. A federal judge reversed that decision on First Amendment grounds and ordered the school to pay Kyle Bristow nearly $30,000 in legal